Hey guys, good morning. For today, I will be discussing why some social network fails. Network can fail due to a variety of reasons, including hardware issues, software bugs, configuration errors, bandwidth limitation, or security breaches. Other common causes are physical connectivity, outdated firmware, or network congestions, which can lead to slow or unstable performance. Proper maintenance and regular updates are key to preventing such failures. Um, let's go on introduction. Ana, gasaba-saba po siya kaga video ta. Pistot na siya ay. Ay lang usaba niya kaya ako gibuhat. Muli ra ko ron. Katulgon na. Good morning everyone. So for today, I will be discussing why some social network fails. So, network can fail due to a variety of reasons, including hardware issues, software bugs, configuration errors, bandwidth limitation, or security breaches. Other common causes are physical connectivity problems, outdated firmware, or network congestions, which can lead to slow or unstable performance. Proper maintenance and regular updates are key to preventing such failures. Introduction. The success of a social network depends on building a dedicated community, generating revenue, and staying relevant. So ang pagamalampuson daw sa usa ka social network is nagikan sa nagdepende sa giunsa nimo pag-build o giunsa nimo pag-dedicate sa community aron maka-generate ka og revenue o magpabilin kang relevant. A brief history of Orkut and MySpace. So kining Orkut and MySpace guys is kito ni siyang mga um, networks or apps, application nga nakuan ba ang kining Orkut kay na shutdown tapos ang kaning MySpace kay naa pagyapon pero wala na. Hinay na ba? So Orkut launched January 2004, founder Orkut Buyukok Buyukok din muro ni guys. Mao na siya. A Turkish software engineer working at Google. Purpose initially intended as a social networking site to connect people and facilitate interaction online. Popularity gained significant traction in Brazil and India, where it became a major social networking platform. Features allowed users to create profiles, add friends, and send message and post updates on their personal pages. Decline lost popularity with the rise of Facebook. Oh, see, nawala iyang pagka sikat kay may sikat na pud lagi ning Facebook nga ato ang ginagamit karon and other social media platforms by 2014. Its users base had dwindled shut down. Google officially shut down or Google officially shut down Orkut on September 30, 2014, redirecting users to Google Plus, which also eventually shut down. So, na tinuod ba ito, no? Shutdown may yuga basta mga Elisa nakaglain. Kung kuno Elisa glain we, di ba ka charot to. So we proceed on MySpace, launched on last August 2003. Founders Tom Anderson and Chris DeWolf, along with other partners. Purpose designed as a social networking site with a strong emphasis on users customization and music promotion. Popularity became one of the most popular social networking sites in mid 2000, particularly in US, and was a key platform for artists and bands. So kining MySpace day kay sikat kini siya atong 20s, 2000s, 2000 ma 2000. sikat kay siya kay mo siya kuan dai kining particularly in kuan kinabang tawag ni yung mga artist ug banda ba magamit din siya dito dai. Tapos features offered customizable profiles with HTML or CSS music playlists and strong focus on social networking. Decline face increasing competition from Facebook and other platforms, leading to a significant loss of users. Rebranding and shift attempted to rebrand as a platform focused on entertainment and music but never regained its former prominence. So, ang rebranding and shift kay gi-rebrand siya ay na-attempted to rebrand siya pero kuan ba ang iya bitang pagka sikat kay di na pare sa una di na pare tong year 2000 nga sikat kay siya sa US. Tapos current status MySpace exists today as a niche site focused on music and entertainment but it is far less influential than it was at his peak. So ang kining MySpace mode gay kuan kining mura siya kuan ron ba Spotify. Pero lahi na ba yung Spotify ron? Tsada ba kayo? Mawala yun siya. Nana po yung mga other social media platforms like Instagram, Twitter, nabi po na yung mga entertainment dara. Labaw na sa Facebook. Ayun na siya diya. Tapos nana po YouTube. Na kining Orkut o MySpace kay kuan sila one of dili one kay duha man sila. Kining duha kay kuan kining example sa mga networking so dili man ni failure ning MySpace pero gihimo ra gyapon yung example kay kuan man kining basta failure lagi na siya lagi. Both Orkut and MySpace failed to adapt quickly enough to rapidly changing social media landscape, leading to their decline as new, more dynamic competitors emerge. Na failed lagi, ingon biya ko ninyo. Failed to adapt quickly enough to rapidly changing social media landscape. So, kuhan siya ba, mura ba siya, kung sa atua pa, entrepreneur mo ta, wala siya nag-innovate ba. Nanay mga bago nga social media platforms karon saon na lang. Na behind yun siya, mga tong nawala-wala. Bati pa siguro siya og mga kuhan. Di tamo story bati, kaya rabat ka balong mahimong website. Sorry. So, the benefits of social networks. Social networks have brought about numerous benefits that have significant changed the way we interact and share information. They make it easier to stay connected with friends and family around the world, offering instant communication that bridges long distance professionally. Platforms like LinkedIn help people network, find job opportunities, and advance their careers, while businesses use social networks for marketing and engaging with customer. So it highlights how social networks have changed how we communicate and share information, making it easier to stay connected with friends and family over long distance. Mao na siya ibot pasabot na guys. Kuan sa ba kining for example kanang Messenger, apil man siya sa social networks. Messenger, mga WhatsApp. Dali ra kay ka mga kuan ba, dali ra kay ka maka-interact through your customers, business bod, marketing. Nana ba yung mga marketing ng kuan? Facebook, marketing ng Twitter. Wala dai. Instagram dai. No, Instagram ka no? Na marketing no? Instagram lagi. O daw. Mura tagab. Yaga ani. Tinol ba to? Kuan siya kining tabang siya kay kining mapapaspas ang ato ang kuan ang ato ang trabaho tapos malisen ang ato ang kanang tao nga sa kuan ba mga empleyado malisen kay kuan man na may social media daghan kay benefits ang social media social networks dai mura na siya networks mura na siya lagi. Next is keeping social networks secure. So, on keeping social network secure is all about taking steps to protect users and their information from online threats. So, sa keeping social network secure kay makakuan juga kabalo yung kadaan ba nga sa information pa lang naman na sa Facebook o naman na kuan mga information yung mga hatag kaya nang sa phone number haga puyo ay nagkumpletuha o ganahan kay secure imong kinabuhi kay dira man na sa mga scammer mga track imong kuan mga aha ka nila kung anon ba haka na bitik-bitiko ng istorya parehas ang iya ano tong pagka imbis namatyan na si dade na-hack pa yung account tayo si dade ato lay tuoy kayo na-scam akong iyaan 5,000 kay bay. Here's how to do it. Start with strong passwords. Strong passwords. Beware of scams. Then educate users. So, start with strong password. Encourage users to create complex password with a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols, adding to factor authentication. 2FA provides extra security by requiring a second verification step like a code sent to a phone. So kining start a strong password kay kuan. Barean nang kuan password nga Castor Guapo 123XD. Castro nana wa nay makabalo na bay. Gerald's Pilanas 143 na siya. Na siya ba. Then beware of scams. Help users recognize phishing attempts which are often fake emails or messages asking for personal information. Users should also avoid clicking on suspicious link or downloading attachment from unknown sources. So kini phishing scam daghan kini sa Facebook pareha nang kuano sa DSWD papilapon ka og mga form niya dayto scam ra day abot ni sa katuig na lang wa gyud ka kadawat og kwarta nawala pa imong account ay mabailad na ingana guys kay kuan kini giilad ni gali mo sa inyong kuan gani mailad pa gyud mo luya ninyo. Number 3, educate users. Offer training and resources on online security to help users understand how to protect their information. Sharing best practices for online safety is key. So kini educating users kay before we kuan for example natay kaila nga bag-uhay pa na palit og cellphone ng kuan pero bago pa siya na sulod ng social media ato siyang pahinumdum ato siyang pakuan ba pasidayan nga kuan ingon ani ang buhata ingon ani bisag dili ta educator pero pwede ta maka-educate pwede ta makatudlo na siya sabot mo guys sorry kay sa kuang guys sa kuang tawag kanay PPT ba wala di gyud siya maklaro niya ba sorry kay guys love you mo conclusion. The success of social network hinge on a delicate balance of factors. It requires building a dedicated community generating sustainable revenue, staying relevant to evolving trends. Additionally, fostering human relations and ensuring the security of user data are crucial elements for a long-term success. By addressing these challenges and prioritizing the well-being of its users, social network can continue to play a vital role in connecting people and reaching their lives. So, ang success sa social network ay kuan siya ba? Tawag ani, istorya naman ako ni kanina, nalimot nung kunon. Ang galing social network naman guys kay ano na lang. Dako kan siya tabang sa nung kinabuhi karon kay kuan mapadali atong kinabuhi bisan pag naasa kuan laing nasod ato ang mga amigo, barkada, pamilya makadali kita kontak ba kay nanay video call karon nanay Facebook nanay mga social media platforms nga magamit aron kuan may istorya na to sila bisag naa sila sa layo tapos kuan pod usa sab sa naka kuan ani kining advantage sa social network kay pareha karon daghan na kay vloggers Dagan kay influencers. So through social network makakwarta sila, maka benefit sila, then makahatag sila, ay maka-gain sila kwarta, din makatabang mo sila sa network, makatabang mo sila sa anang Facebook ana, makatabang sila ba nga musikat, dili ma-fail ang kuan. Okay, kuan man kwarta man sila, din nangapoy mga malantaw naroon na siya. So dito ra tama na ang report guys. Thank you kay sa inyong pagpaminaw ha. Pasensya kayo sa kuan sa ako ang pipiti. Wala yun ko'y alamag anong pipiti eh. Hanggang salamat. Thank you. Bye bye. Mwah. Love you.